Hi everyone, today is Wednesday and it's currently midterms week, so I'm actually in the middle of doing some work. Di pa ako nag-aasikaso ng midterms for this day kasi inuna ko muna yung work that was given to me kasi need na siya ASAP. I have to be productive today kasi tomorrow I have an on-site exams. So, like, first time in a while, actually, yeah, that we will be having a face-to-face in-person exams. And so, I have to review, but I still need to finish my work. So, mamaya pa ako magre-review. Ayun lang. So, I just finished my work. And I'm going to be reviewing now for the test tomorrow. And it's currently 2:01 p.m. Guys, sobrang dami ng babasahin sa science. Like, as in minor subject lang to. Around 5, magsi-6 na. 6 p.m. And hindi ko pa rin siya tapos basahin. It's giving me a literal headache. As in.
Just sweets. Wait lang, vlog.
Okay, yung isa kasi hindi na magagamit. Ito lang yung magagamit natin, no? Tapos service to 1 hanggang 100. Nakita ba?
Yes.
Okay. So, out. Wala ko. Ako lang?
Bigay lang sa akin.
Bakit yung laki naman? May bearing si
Hala ka, babe. Sweet check. Kasi ang cute namin today. Smile, be. Smile. Smile.
na ba?
Okay, so, loudest. Wait, are you sure? That's him. Now this is a serious magic. I'm going to read your mind. Okay. Alright, ready? Go!
Hi, guys. Hi. Ang init, pero long sleeves ako. Because I need to be presentable. I'm currently waiting for my appointment for my OGT orientation. Emergency scissors!
I think scissors are the best invention. I just have it like that.
Hello guys, I just wanted to share my 10 seconds animation that I finished for my thesis output, and I've been doing this for hours, but I just finished 10 seconds. Yeah, it is that hard and time consuming. I'm not even halfway my output yet. So yeah. Anyway, today it's April 16 and it's currently 8:39 p.m. I'm not so sure if kaya kong umabot sa deadline. Pero hindi ko na iniisip yun. Also, I'm already taking my internship in a marketing agency. So, medyo mahirap pagsabayin yung thesis output and yung mga OJT duties kasi I'm in the creatives team, so we do a lot of graphic designing, which is also time consuming as much as animation. So ayun, I wish myself good luck. So anyways, papakita ko na. While. And mag-exam ako for TOEIC. Naisipan ko lang mag-vlog today. Yeah. Okay, tapos na. Say hi. Ayun. Tapos na po. We're going home.